Today we're off to Hill Cottage Farm, Camping and Caravan Park. Why not join us? So here we are arriving at Hill Cottage Farm, Camping and Caravan Park. They have a number of areas here, blue pitches, green pitches, and what I found quite strange is that the blue pitches are the ones on grass, it would seem. So here we go, blue pitches, and it looks like it's all just on grass. I can't be sure if there's any extra facilities there per se. I can't see any hookup. Oh no, I can see, I take that back. I can see some orange leads there, so they probably have got a hookup, but that seems to be it. But anyhow, nice spacious field there. Predominantly tents, but there you go. So anyhow, green pitches on this way. So as you come in, you've got reception off to the right in a short distance, and as you'll see here, we've got some green pitches off to the left just before you get to reception. And the rest of the site, as far as I know, is on gravel. So these are fairly typical pitches, and these are standard serviced hard standing. Off to the right again, just before reception, you've got the grey waste, chemical disposal, and the rubbish bins. As you get here, round to the right, you've got the reception. Yeah, lovely staff here, so apart from charging me to video, no, nice well-stocked place, lots of bits and pieces you're going to find here. And then just around the corner from that, you've got the information room. So somewhere to sit and chill if you really want to. A map of the local area, what's on, places to walk, usual sort of bits and pieces, and a little book, sort of swap library type thing. You've got a kite and a few toys here. Well, that's pretty quite a nice idea, especially got kids here. And the pictures all look much the same. I'll show you that in a minute. They're all well maintained, and the really nice thing, they've got these large hedges between them all. The lights are all configured to go off when they're not in use. One thing I don't like about the showers, unfortunately, they have this the press button, and these only last about 5 or 10 seconds. It's quite nice that they have the adjustable hose. There's no temperature control. I found the showers here are just overly hot, and considering it's a 30 odd degrees outside, it wasn't ideal, but there you go. But other than that, clean, warm, dry. Just not massively clean on the showers. There's a disabled toilet there as well for someone with limited mobility. Washing up area here. On occasions there's a big function room here, which I've been to there before when we had a rally here, which is quite nice. There's also a cafe in there, but it's all closed at the moment. I think due to staff limitations, that sort of thing at the moment after the COVID. There's also a little washing machine area here. So it's quite easy to get lost in it, especially at night time. There's not a good lot of lights here, but all the pictures look much the same. So I'm not going to go around the entire site. However, there are two sets of two amenity blocks, so I'll show you both where they are. So they've all got these large hedges, which is just superb. You really feel you've got a bit of privacy on the site. So again, nice sized pitches, all reasonably level. We didn't have to put any chocks in at all. I'm not sure that's the case for all the pitches. And quite a few of the pitches have got a nice patch of grass near them as well. So there's not a lot to show you really, because it's just so well planned and so well laid out really. So in other parts of the site, again, there's grey waste, black waste, refuse. So as you can see from this one here, nice long pits here. Not really going to struggle to get a large motorhome or caravan combination in there. And just down here, although it seems to be a little bit hidden, but just the nature of the way the layout is, there's a little path round to a nice walk down to the village and to some other pitches. So get down to pitch 4A, I believe it is. And here we go, a little path through to the back. There's another amenity block here. And you follow this down, there is a footpath down to the walk to the village and to the fishing lakes. Some of the waste disposal points, so you're never too far away from one. Those little cabins. So a little play area for kids here. And this path takes you off to the village or to the fishing lakes. So the fishing lakes are down there on the right. There appears to be 3 of them. There's a couple of seats you can sit on, benches there. If you want to sit, just sit there and chill by the lake. And this is the walk into the village. Right, we're just leaving the Churchill Arms now, and we're told, actually Google told me, that there's a little co-op shop 3 minutes walk down here. So if you come out of the pub and turn left, I'm kind of hoping they're right. I'm looking forward to an ice cream. So Dr. Google was correct. I can see the co-op there on the right hand side, so very short walk from the pub. So we hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, maybe you could click the like button. If you've got any comments or questions, please leave them below.